Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your topics that interest you the most on the Breaking News application, meaning that you are going to get recommendations in terms of the articles in the For You or Trending section. So you're going to so the articles that you are going to see will be customized and recommended for you based on your set preferences. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on this icon down below, which is the last one, called More. Then tap on the settings option. That's the first one. And then you should tap on the My Topics option, which is the second one. Here, as you can see, you have a vast variety of options and topics that you can choose from. So feel free to tap on the plus icon in order to select your topics that you prefer or would like to read about. So click on the plus icons so you can add as many as you want. So basically that's pretty much it. So if you want to if you, for example, accidentally added a topic that you would like to remove from your section of containing your preferences in terms of the topics of the articles, then just simply click on this X icon next to the particular or the relevant topics. Thereby you will undo this process. So if you go back, you're going to see that this function has been updated. So you are going to see articles based on your set preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.